Hey there, water enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best of the best in everything hydration. I'm thrilled to present to you today's topic that will keep you quenched and refreshed throughout your day, the best water bottles on the market. We know how important it is to stay hydrated, and we've done all the research for you. So, if you're tired of sipping from subpar bottles or dealing with leaks and spills, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing a carefully curated selection of top-notch water bottles that combine style, functionality, and durability. From sleek and minimalist designs to high-tech features that will revolutionize your hydration routine, we've got you covered. So, grab your favorite beverage, hit that subscribe button below, and let's dive into the world of the best water bottles that will quench your thirst in style. Number 1. Giotto Water Bottle. The runner-up on our list is this water bottle brought to us by Giotto with a maximum capacity of 32 ounces. It comes in 14 color variations, so you can pick the color scheme that best fits your preferences. The lid has a durable locking mechanism in place to prevent dust ingress and water leakage when closed. It is also designed to be operated using just one hand, thanks to the spring-loaded dust cap. So, you can keep on working while hydrating yourself. Additionally, it features a silicone straw that allows you to sip the water easily without needing to tilt the whole bottle. The time markings on the outside help you track how much water you have drunk and when it is time for your next water intake. The mouth of this product is designed to be pretty wide, allowing you to put in standard-sized ice cubes to keep the contents cool. The Trident copolyester plastic build is very durable and sturdy, so you can take it with you to the gym or camping without worry. It is also toxin-free and BPA-free to ensure your safety and prevent chemical contamination of your water. Additionally, a silicone sealing ring is in place to effectively prevent leaks even when the bottle is turned upside down. What the customers loved about this product was its easy-to-drink design. They also liked how the contents don't get a plastic or metallic taste in them. Number 2. Hydro Flask Water Bottle. Next, we have this water bottle by Hydro Flask that you can get in 24 ounces, 32 ounces, and 40 ounces size variations to pick from. You also get to choose between 9 color options, including black, white, Laguna, and Snapper. A straw lid is used in place of the traditional lid, making it easier to drink the contents and preventing accidental spills. Its leak-proof design is very effective, so your stuff isn't ruined just because of water leakage. Additionally, it is made using stainless steel of pro grade, making it highly durable. You can even replace the straw when it gets too old, which is a great plus. This way, the usage life of this pick is increased drastically. Also, its insulation capabilities are exemplary since the contents stay cold for up to 24 hours after being poured in. It can keep the contents warm for up to 12 hours as well. The biggest benefit of this product is it is dishwasher safe. So, you don't have to hand wash it every single time, saving you time and effort. Its exterior is powder coated to provide a much better grip. Additionally, it is designed especially to fit most types of backcountry water filters, allowing you to get clean water while camping. The customer liked the sturdiness and durability of this water bottle a lot as it lasts much longer, giving better worth for your money. They also appreciated the easy-to-clean and easy-to-hold design. Number 3. Owala Water Bottle. Owala has brought us this fancy water bottle with 9 color options to pick from. You can get it in 24 ounces, 32 ounces, and 40 ounces size variations per your preferences and buying needs. It features a very unique and ingenious spout that provides straw and pouring features at the same time. This pick is made using stainless steel, which lasts for much longer compared to plastic. It is also dent resistant, allowing it to survive higher falls. It utilizes a push-open design for its lid that you can operate with one hand, making it easier to use. There is a carry loop placed on the top to make it more portable. The loop fits right into a slot, so it doesn't get in your way when not in use. This product is designed to keep water cold for 24 hours thanks to the use of double wall insulation. Its opening is pretty wide as well, allowing for much easier cleaning. The lid is dishwasher safe, so you have to spend less time cleaning it. Aside from all this, its base is cup holder friendly, keeping the whole bottle secure while you drive or cycle around on road or off-road. There is no BPA or phthalate in the material used to make this water bottle to ensure your safety and good health. The customers love the locking mechanism it features for keeping the flip top firmly in place, preventing accidental opening. They also appreciated the easy-to-hold design, preventing the bottle from slipping out of your hand. Number 4. Simple Modern Water Bottle. Simple Modern has brought us this water bottle that comes in 6 size variations to choose from. All the lids included in the pack have a handle attached to them, so you can carry the bottle more easily. You also get to pick from a wide array of color options and various mesmerizing designs, including Ocean Geode, Nebula, Mystical Forest, and Lunar, to best fit your personal preferences and fashion choice. This product comes equipped with vacuum insulation, which is ideal for keeping the contents at your preferred temperature for hours. The insides are copper-coated as well to prevent rust and contamination. This also prevents the water from getting a metallic taste. The outsides are made using stainless steel for great durability and strength. All the materials used are BPA-free to keep you safe and healthy. The best part is that you get a limited lifetime warranty included in the package, which is a great plus. The customer liked the highly durable build, giving you better worth for your money by extending its usage life. They also found the sturdiness ideal for rough usages such as camping or hiking. Additionally, they were impressed by the low price tag, making it much more affordable. Its lightweight build also makes it very portable, so your hands don't get tired when carrying it around with you. You can easily fit it in a compatible bike holder. This makes it ideal for off-road enthusiasts who want their water bottles to stay still on a bumpy ride. Number 5. Opard Water Bottle. Opard has brought us this water bottle with a very slim profile to provide a better grip and increase compactness. It also features a one-handed design allowing you to open the lid and drink with just one hand. The Triton used to make it is free of BPA, keeping you safe while also providing high durability. As an added bonus, you even get some great fruit recipes included in the package to try out and enjoy. You can get a free ebook of the recipes if you want as well. There is a strainer in place which helps prevent solids such as fruit chunks and ice chips from flowing out of the spout when you're drinking. The strainer can be removed as well when needed to improve water flow. Additionally, it can handle liquids with a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, allowing you to store both hot and cold liquids. This pick comes in a total of 10 color options that you can choose from as per your preference. It also features a handle on the top for comfortably carrying it around with you. There are volume markers printed along the length of the bottle so you can measure how much water you have put in and how much water you have drank in a day. This way, you never forget to hydrate, keeping yourself healthy. The customers liked the high durability a lot,